Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Today's video is a cleaning video. I am cleaning up after my daughter's birthday party. This past weekend we hosted a awesome, crazy fun mermaid party. Evelyn turned 5 at the end of July and this past weekend was her party. So we had a great time, but my house definitely took a beating. I had a ton of kids in my house this past weekend. We had a ton of fun, but usually a ton of fun means a big mess. So that's what I'm doing in today's video. I am kind of tackling the mess and like just trying to put things together or back together. And I'm also going to start decorating for fall. I wouldn't say that this is like a full on, like full fall decorate, but it's just a taste, just to start. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to let some music play and I will pop back throughout.
Let's go back to the beginning, back to the beginning. We can't start in what we finished, starting what we finished we could. Drove me crazy, so I had to go and call you out. Got complacent like you didn't give a care about a love. When I had to give up, couldn't let you go. Could never pull the trigger, no. I wanna make this right, wanna make this right. Can we turn back time? You, been on my mind, been on my mind. Can we hit rewind? Wanna make this right. Can we turn back time? Can we hit rewind? Wanna make this right, wanna make this right. Can we turn back time? You, been on my mind, been on my mind. Butterflies to lies and secret keeping, lies and secret keeping. Stuck on loop and history's repeating, history's repeating again. I remember all the late nights talking at your house. Tried to stay up, but we'd end up sleeping on your couch. Of those things I never noticed, I miss the most. When I look back on those moments, I wanna make this right, wanna make this right. Can we turn back time? You, been on my mind, been on my mind. Can we hit rewind? Wanna make this right. Can we turn back time? Can we hit rewind? Wanna make this right.
So fast forward, guys, it is actually the next day when I am tackling my kitchen. And I just have to say, guys, I want you to set your expectations very low, okay? This cleaning video, I got a lot done, but at the same time, there's still a pretty big mess when I'm done at the end of this. My house was pretty trashed, and I know that people get very upset when I don't finish the job in cleaning videos. But I just wanted to kind of give you a heads up that this video was nothing crazy. It was just kind of like me getting a head start on the mess that I had in front of me, and also just starting to decorate for fall. I promise a video is coming soon where I do a more thorough deep cleaning as well as like a full like fall decorate. But I just wanted to pop on here and let you guys know that. So I will let the rest of this video finish. I'm just going to kind of speed clean my kitchen very quickly, but I just wanted to pop on, have your expectations set low, but I still hope that you enjoyed this video, and I still hope that it motivated you to get whatever you need to get done. So I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
We ain't perfect, no. It's a work in progress. Good things go slow. I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Sinking in, and I guess I kinda like that. For the first time, you really got my back. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Lose them with you, lose them with you. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with. Yeah.